Are you looking for a simple way to boost your health naturally after 50? You might be surprised that the answer could be in your spice cabinet. Cloves, those little aromatic buds, have been used for centuries, not only to add flavor, but also for their impressive health benefits. Imagine improving digestion, reducing inflammation, and even strengthening your immune system, all with a daily cup of clove tea. Stick around to discover how this powerful drink could become a game changer for your health as you age. Cloves are the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, which is native to Indonesia and commonly found in kitchens around the world. Not just a spice for your favorite dishes, cloves are packed with powerful nutrients. They're an excellent source of antioxidants, vitamins like vitamin C, and essential minerals such as manganese and calcium. This makes them a great ally for your health, especially as you age. Cloves are particularly celebrated for their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which have been shown to support overall wellness. A key compound in cloves, eugenol, is responsible for many of these benefits, with studies suggesting it has strong pain-relieving and antioxidant effects. When brewed into tea, cloves release these beneficial compounds in a way that's easy to enjoy, making it a simple yet potent addition to your daily routine. Let's explore how clove tea can work wonders for your health after 50. Number 1. Improved digestion and reduced bloating. As we age, our digestive system tends to slow down. This can lead to issues like bloating, constipation, and indigestion. Clove tea can provide natural relief by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. Research shows that cloves have carminative properties, meaning they help relieve gas, reduce bloating, and ease discomfort in the stomach. This makes clove tea a great remedy for anyone struggling with digestive issues, particularly as you get older. Regular consumption may lead to smoother digestion and fewer stomach-related complaints. Number 2. Pain and inflammation relief. Joint pain and inflammation are common concerns for those over 50. Whether it's arthritis or general stiffness, the discomfort can affect daily activities. Clove tea may offer natural relief, thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The primary active compound in cloves, eugenol, has been found to significantly reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted that cloves' antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, one of the main contributors to joint pain and stiffness. By drinking clove tea, you could experience reduced discomfort and improved mobility over time, making it an excellent addition to a pain management routine. Number 3. Boosted immune system. As we age, our immune system naturally weakens, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Fortunately, cloves can help support and strengthen immunity. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in fighting free radicals that damage cells and weaken the immune system. Additionally, clove tea's antimicrobial and antiviral properties help the body fend off infections. Studies suggest that cloves can enhance immune function by boosting the production of white blood cells, which are essential for defending the body against disease. By drinking clove tea regularly, you may experience fewer illnesses and feel more resilient overall. Number 4. Enhanced oral health. Oral health often becomes a bigger concern as we age, especially with issues like gum disease and tooth decay. Clove tea can be a great natural remedy for promoting better oral hygiene. Cloves have long been used as a treatment for toothaches, thanks to their numbing and antimicrobial properties. Drinking clove tea may help reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, promoting healthier gums and teeth. Research also suggests that clove oil, when used in dental care, can alleviate pain and improve oral health. By sipping clove tea daily, you may not only enjoy better digestion and immunity, but also a healthier smile. Number 5. Improved blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is a key health concern as we age. Cloves may help regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing glucose levels. Studies have shown that cloves can assist in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for those at risk of or managing type 2 diabetes. Drinking clove tea regularly may help your body utilize insulin more effectively, preventing sudden spikes or drops in blood sugar. This makes clove tea a valuable addition to your routine if you're looking to improve blood sugar control, especially as you get older. How to make clove tea and recommended dosage. Making clove tea is simple and requires just 2 ingredients: cloves and water. To prepare, start by boiling 1 cup of water. Once it reaches a boil, add 2 to 3 whole cloves to the water and let them steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the beneficial compounds in the cloves to infuse into the water. After steeping, strain the tea to remove the cloves, and your refreshing, health-boosting beverage is ready to drink. You can enjoy a small cup of clove tea daily to experience the benefits, but it's best to start slowly to see how your body responds. For most people, drinking clove tea 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient to enjoy its positive effects. However, if you have any health concerns or are on medication, be sure to consult your healthcare provider before making it a regular part of your routine. Potential side effects and precautions. While clove tea is generally safe when consumed in moderation, excessive intake may cause digestive discomfort or irritation. Cloves contain eugenol, which has blood-thinning properties, so drinking too much clove tea could interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, or affect people with bleeding disorders. It's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before adding clove tea to your daily routine, particularly if you have pre-existing health conditions or take prescription medications. Drinking clove tea daily can be a powerful and natural way to improve your health as you age, offering benefits like better digestion, pain relief, and enhanced immunity. If you're ready to experience these benefits, why not try it for yourself? Let us know how clove tea works for you in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Share this video with someone who could benefit from a warm, health-boosting cup of clove tea.